in recent news, Caribou, after, abandoning his whole crew and his own brother, let them get slaughtered, made it safely to some weirdo island. He's probably gonna get slaughtered on that island, but he made it. But anyway, this is your boy Me. Welcome to the channel where anime and manga means more. And this time we'll review on One Piece chapter 689. Brownbeard shows up and he tries to blow the lid off of, Punk Hazard. But then Caesar comes down and he tries to, end Brownbeard's shenanigans. Brownbeard's co-workers, they're confused, like what's going on. And so Brownbeard lets the cat out of the bag. But of course, they don't believe him. Caesar go ahead and he lets, he hits Brownbeard with this trank. And Brownbeard goes down, right? Then he lets him in on his little secret. He told them about everything. He said, I was behind everything. The explosion, everything. I did it all. And he's laughing. Caesar's always funny. I love that guy. Brownbeard, he uses his last little bit of energy to go to work on Caesar, but his co-workers open fire on him. They just light him up. Caesar gets ready to hit Brownbeard with his fatality, but Luffy shows up and hits him with this elephant gun right in the nick of time. Always, like always, right in the nick of time. Monologue time again. So Caesar, just with his evil, mastermind routine, he goes ahead and explains to Luffy his connection with the black market, Virgo, Doflamingo, the 4 Yonko and everything, and this, this army, this like 700 plus army of devil fruit users, and he dares Luffy to put his hands on them. Luffy takes him up on that offer and just lights him up. This was a good chapter. Caesar was funny, like always. And this Devil Fruit Army thing, that's real interesting. If I had to put my bet on it, I would place it on Blackbeard. Blackbeard would seem like the man to do it. Why? He's got more resources to do it than anybody else. Now, don't get it twisted. The 4 other 3 Yonko, probably not Shanks, because Shanks is his team, like he's got a core team. He doesn't roll that deep. But anyway, the other 2 Yonko, Big Mom and Kaido, they might be doing it too, because they got all that power they have and all those crew underneath them and everything like that. They have the resources and power to, get devil fruits, from people. But Blackbeard seems like the most likely. Why? Because he has 2 different ways of getting devil fruits. He can either find a devil fruit, give it to the person, or he can just take it from somebody else. Or threaten that person, to join them, something like that. So he has different ways of getting his hands on it. So I would say Blackbeard, but the strange thing about Blackbeard is somewhat like Luffy. He has a core crew of just a few people. So it's like out of character that he has 700 people under him, unless he's like selling them. Like he says, okay, one of the 4 Yonko might have 700 people, and he said, I can provide all of them with 700 devil fruit, for such and such, such and such. I don't know. So it's kind of out of character for him to have 700 people behind him. It doesn't make any, sense. But it does make sense that he could be the one that does it because he has more resources to do it. One problem though is it's getting kind of slow. I want to see Smoker versus Virgo, and I want to see Buffalo and Baby 5. So I kind of want to wrap this up. Caesar is he's interesting, but he's already been defeated. Like Luffy, we already know Luffy can defeat him. We already seen Luffy thrash him right before he faced, right before intervened, before Monet intervened. So Luffy busts through this guy so we can hurry up and move on. Plus, we need to deal with Law and where his crew is, and that sad stuff, whatever that is. And we gotta get off the island. Why? Because they set everything up. We got Doflamingo, Big Mom, and all this other good stuff to look forward to. So even though this arc's been good, I want to hurry up and get off of it. I want to hurry up and get to that other stuff. We already had a good time. We gotta finish, wrap this up. But anyway, go ahead and leave your comment. Let me know what you think. Rate the video and subscribe, and I'm out. Peace.